Dude, I'm actually getting this double jump better. Hold on. Hold on. Dude, what the fuck? I got the timing down all of a sudden. Got max height double jumps down. Only took 350 hours of game time to get it down. You know, no big deal. There we go. We hit that. Missed that.
What game would you say you have the most hours in?
Celeste, 2000.
Damn.
Yeah, a little over 2000, I guess.
Probably Destiny for me.
Minecraft is probably a close second, though. I might have more in Minecraft than Celeste, honestly. I just don't have it like accumulated. I've never seen like a number because it's across a bunch of different platforms. Hold on, this is a really good run. Like a really good run. Holy shit, come on, don't choke.
Deal for you, Dragon Keyboard. Can you get a new keyboard?
Esteban?
Huh?
I think I did it. Maybe?
136?
138 maybe? Maybe? I don't know, hold on. 139,227, did I beat it? Hold on.
Super close.
Holy shit, 139,227. Let me, hold on. 139,227. Just remember that. I need to open up speedrun.com and look. 139,227.
39,227.
I beat it!
By how much?
Point one!
0.1?
Point one. He had a 139,328. I got 139,227.
That's crazy.
Holy shit. Oh my god, I didn't think that was ever gonna get beaten. I thought that was like the greatest IL ever. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm recording? Yes, I am. Thank god, dude.